guys have been following my TikTok, or have TikTok, whatever, but I've been posting on there a little bit about trying to get my pre-baby body back. So I've been going to the gym. I started creatine like 2 weeks ago. I have not been consistent with that. I've not been consistent with my diet. And although having my son made my teeth super sensitive, I still have a sweet tooth and I eat everything in sight. I love food. So, oh shit, I'm missing my turn. The heck is that? So I want to know if you guys have, like, go-to snack recipes for, like, that sweet tooth craving. I don't know, just, like, healthy, but not sugary, not super fattening. I know people do, like, those, keto fat bombs and whatever. I don't want any of that. Like, I'm fat enough. I don't need a bomb for that. So, wow, this is I never realized how bumpy this parking lot was. I'm gonna get in my spot. I feel like people are leaving this open for me now. Everyone just has their own parking spots, and we don't deviate. So I want to know if you guys have a recipe to, like, combat this sweet tooth craving that I cannot control. I have no control. When it comes to desserts, oh, my hair looks weird in this hat. Anyways, when it comes to desserts, I am not human. I have to eat it. Like, I just have to. So, today, little confession time. Today, my coworker made these chocolate chip cookie brownie cheesecake cups. I had one. It was delicious. And then I ate my regular food that I had sort of meal prepped. And then I ate another one. So I need some suggestions on how to not be so fat. And how to not be so animal-like when it comes to desserts. It's a real problem. Okay, thanks.